Hey guys, what's going on guys? It is MoonPie 2019 here, and welcome back to another video. And today guys, part of the Mario month or something, this isn't actually part of it, but welcome to Syobon Action Online. It's also known as Count Mario. And if you do enjoy this video somehow, hit the like button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. And yes, we're gonna get straight into this. And okay, right, let's play this. Okay, flying fish. Wow. No. Wow. Okay, we're done. This game is a bunch of trolls. Welcome to Cat Mario Online. I'm dead. Left-handed viper. That was such a troll, okay. Oh no. Why did that just happen? Please oh no. Get away. Oh man. This game is kinda this game is basically me, I'm the best. No, you're not. Okay, we're gonna give this another go. And trying to stay away from the sleeping. Trying to stay away from this. I just got crushed by falling blocks. Wow, we have negative 11 lives. What is this? Cat Mario. That is a killer mushroom, guys. Please do not. He was speaking Japanese, and those are apparently the new kind. You can. Hey, oh, you can. Okay, so they're. I should have seen that coming, but I didn't. Okay. Well, I would say there's a lot of people here. I just. No, 2 characters retreat to lifetime negative 17 lives. I really needed to jump there, but I didn't. This is the last video. I did not move out of the way. This game definitely has a lot of trolls. we could definitely say that. Yeah, woo! Oh no! At least we hit a checkpoint. No. Our time's negative 24 lives. Why? This game isn't making me so mad. No! I really thought I had that. No. Yeah, welcome to Mrs. Snow Mario Zelda month. And we are still playing Cat Mario. This is making me so mad. No, it's making me so mad. It's making me so mad. I can't believe this is happening. Why is this happening? I really want to get past that checkpoint of time negative 30 lives. You apparently have infinite lives in this. That's my own fault. Ooh, I beat it. Okay, do this. Okay. It's hard to see where that invisible block is. They're trying to troll me. And it's not funny. They're trying to throw me. Are you kidding me? I would have done the same thing he did. Come on. Oh no. Ah! Unfair Cat Mario. Monster with this game. Oh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I am not good at this game. Come on. Why? Come on, please. Please. Okay, jump. And just... Ooh, okay. Oh, no. I can't believe I was only supposed to do that. And I decide to fall back. What? I was eaten by a cloud. That's not fair, no. Times negative 40 lives. I was eaten by a cloud. This game is such a troll. Come on. No, please. That's so mean. Are you kidding? This game is such a troll. I got past this part and I have to go back. This is not a very happy game. Oh no. No, move! No. That's so not cool. Well, I'm never gonna complete this game. I don't even know how many levels there are. It's unfair Mario Online. Oh! Negative 44 lives. This game is making me so mad. Why can't Mario? Who even made you? It's me, but it can't be. I was eaten by a cloud and you said delicious. Mario, you're not eaten by a cloud and it made no sense. Ah, sorry, I'm talking about Mario. Come on. This is a game! This game is actually really fun, but it's hard at the same time. No celebration of Mario Month this time. This is actually... This is such a troll I've actually seen on from Mario in videos. And no! Fell into the void. Fell into the void and didn't even notice it. Why? I don't get what just happened. What happened? No. No, two. What? Those ghosts of Goombas. Those punks. They're getting eaten by a cloud. You know what? I'm also done here. Me not happy. Me thought I'd be very happy. But no, I'm not. But guys, there you go. That is one of the most rage-worthy online games I have ever seen. I can't even get past this level, and that time negative 53. But guys, there you go. That is unfair, or that's Cat Mario Online or Syobon Action Online. Thank you for all of you who were in this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. That we greatly appreciate. And since that'll be the first video that you might me, keep watching my video. Make sure to check out the King of Fan channel. Make sure to check out the videos I post. Make sure to check out the videos on Game. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. See you, dudes.